Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change your wake up alarm to a song. Waking up to your favorite song can make mornings feel more enjoyable and energetic. Many Android phones allow you to set a custom music track as your alarm sound. This guide will show you how to change your wake up alarm to a song on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Open the clock app on your phone. Tap the alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Select an existing alarm or tap the plus or add alarm button. Set the time you want the alarm to ring. Then look for the alarm sound or ringtone option. Tap it to open the list of available tones. Choose music or from device if available, or tap the three lines in the top left, then choose the tap on downloads. Browse the song stored on your phone. Tap the song you want to use as your alarm. Press OK or Done if there's any to confirm your selection. Now go back, adjust the alarm settings, such as repeat days or vibration if needed. Tap Save or check in the top right to activate the alarm. Your alarm will now wake you up using the selected song. Tip: make sure the song is downloaded or saved on your device so it can be used as an alarm tone. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.